Baseus is making further inroads into the Chinese audio accessories market with the launch of the Bowie EX. This is coming just 1 month after the Bowie H1 noise-cancelling headphones with up to 70 hours of battery life were launched in China. The Bowie EX has a ring iron dual-unit appearance and boasts 30 hours of use on a single charge. The Bowie EX has a large and small double-ring architecture and utilizes the cavity space to enhance the sound and reduce distortion. Panoramic sound technology is featured in the Bowie EX. The technology was jointly developed by Baseus and Waynos, and it integrates sound objects and spatial audio for greater sound quality. The earphones can be connected via Bluetooth to an input source, and the user can switch to the panoramic sound effects mode. This can be either via the app or a button on the earphones. The panoramic mode helps to improve the immersive sound on offer. Noise reduction for the Bowie EX is achieved through 4 microphones that accurately pick human voices. This is further accentuated by the windproof appearance and enhanced anti-noise capability. The new Baseus TWS headset has a battery life of up to 30 hours with its charging case. The device can be charged rapidly as a 10-minute charge delivers up to 2 hours of playback. The device can be fully charged in 2 hours. It is compatible with Bluetooth 5.3 for better stability and reduced latency. The earphones also support smart dual connection and in-ear sensing. The earphones pause and resume playback automatically upon ear removal and contact. The Baseus Bowie EX TWS earbuds will retail for 329 yuan or $48, but are currently offered at a launch price of 279 yuan or $41. The product can be purchased online from JD.com. There are no details on the duration of the introductory price before the product reverts to its original price. Are you interested in such videos? If so, write to me in the comments below. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.